Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for August 2022. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the August 2022 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's start. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the August 2022 release. We have two new features in this release. The first new feature is Make Show Summary an optional condition in Delegated Forms. With this new feature, you can hide the default summary page on your form and directly submit the form on the final form page. Our second new feature is Remove Chosen Item from Dropdown. This feature allows you to clear the dropdown value after you have made a selection in the element. Let's demonstrate these new features. For this demo, we have created a new delegated form named Release Demo 2022.08. For our first new feature, we will navigate to the form configuration itself. Here we will create a multi-step form. In the first step, we will add a default dropdown and also a text input element. We will also add a second step, and in this second step, we will add a default dual list. Let's switch to the form editor to see the new feature for the dropdown form element. On the right side, you see the form preview, and on the bottom left side, you have the form results. Here you can see the actual values of the form element, which you can use in your PowerShell script after submission. Right now, the form results are empty because we have made no selection in the form fields yet. But if you, for example, select option number 1 in the dropdown, you'll see that the form results are updated and that the dropdown has a value of option number 1. Because we have made a selection in the dropdown, a new button will be visible. And if you press this button, the selection will be cleared as well as results within the form result. Using this new option, you are able to remove a drop-down value in case you don't want anything to be selected at all for this drop-down element. Let's switch to the General tab. And here you can see our second new feature at the bottom. It's called Hide Summary. This option enables you to hide the default summary page and submit the form directly at the last form page itself. By default, the summary page will be shown, so it has the same behavior as before. Let's save this form and navigate to the Service Desk page to open this form. Because the Hide Summary function is turned off, we should see the form itself as well as the visible default summary. So let's select option number 2 for the dropdown and enter the value HelloID in the text input. Then click on the Next button to go to the second page. On the second page, we can select Apple and Pear from the dual list and click on the Next button to see the default summary page. Now, this is the same behavior as before, so let's close this window and switch back to the admin panel to change the Hide Summary option and enable it so that the summary will not be visible anymore. Let's save this configuration and navigate once more to the Service Desk page. We will select option number 3 in the dropdown and enter HelloID once more in the text input. Then we'll click on the Next button to go to the second page of our form. Here we still have the dual list available, but there is no Next button anymore. You will have the Submit button on this page because we have disabled the summary page. So this is the final page of this form because there is no summary page anymore. So the Submit button is directly available on this form page. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.